Hi guys, I'm Jerry, and this is actually a great option for organizing your car in your Honda CR-V. This is for 2023 plus models, so all the latest models. One of the things that they lack is some good organization, and this kit is a complete kit, and I'm liking a lot of things about it. This piece here is actually a piece, as you can see here, that actually slides up right in the front part of your center console like that. They do provide you with this double-sided tape. You can peel that off, custom fit, slides right in, and already has this nice little, almost like a gel mat that's on there that you can pull off and wash later. But I mean, this thing will hold phones and things like that in there. That's not going to go anywhere. That's going to be stuck firm on there. So I am liking the fact that it has that and those raised edges. The center part underneath your armrest actually has this here, and they've provided you with these same little silicone pieces that you can put in here if you want to use them. Pull them out, all custom fit, so that you can get a nice fit. It's got coin holders in the sides. They've got an area over here for your little credit cards, little gift cards right there, and provided here with a custom hole for cords that you can then push through, and it'll work down there to get that so you can pull through your cords. So really liking the fact these can pull out, wash them. You know, if you're going to spill stuff in there, that's great. My favorite feature though is this part right here, which it actually works in the upper part of your armrest, which I'll show you on here. Basically, when you open up the upper part of your armrest, it's got this indent that's there, and you can peel off these edges here and press firmly. That actually is going to lock in place in that upper part and provide you with a hidden compartment that you can then store, you know, little goodies and money and things like that down there. Lock that in place, and that way whenever the armrest goes closed, nobody's going to even know it's even there, and you have your secret access to a little hidden storage. So that's really cool. So really nice kit, everything you need, custom printed, custom ready to go for your Honda CR-V 2023 plus models.